Okay, we're here and we want to start building this wall. Mike put 2 boards on the sides of the columns and we're gonna just fill up the wall with clay and straw for now. And as we build, like every time we fill up like this much, we're gonna place inside these rails that Mika create, we're gonna place an horizontal board that will just kind of create structure, and we'll push down the clay and the straw, and then we're gonna fill around it. Hello, day 2 of building the straw wall. So I wanted to talk quickly about the layout. Let me explain. I'm sorry if I wasn't really clear last time. So this entire floor is going to be our home. The bottom floor, we're gonna renovate it in the next 10 years or something because we don't have enough money. And so we already designed the entire floor, right? But for now, we need to move in. And to move in, we have to close a part of it. That's why we're building this wall that you can see here. And this wall will eventually probably stay and will create like an arch. And we'll have a kitchen here next to the balcony door. And so all of this open space area that you can see here with the soil is going to be the kitchen area, the kind of like lunch, like dinner area, whatever. Whereas this part that is inside this wall that we're creating with this beautiful door, let's enter. So this is going to be the living room kind of space, right? But for now, we're closing it and we're creating an apartment. This is the apartment, okay? There is the bedroom, and here is going to be the living space, and here is going to be the kitchen. This is going to be our wood burning stove where we cook. This is going to be like the kitchen bench / kitchen table where we chop vegetables and all of that. So it's going to be an open space area. Yes, we have the kitchen and the bedroom together, which is not really nice, but this is a kind of work in progress home and we need to enter. I'm sorry if the footage is a little bit messy, but yeah, we're creating basically a 45 square meters apartment in this huge open space place. I hope it's clear. We'll bring you along slowly so you will see the progress, but for now we need to build this wall because we need to heat this space, otherwise it's not livable, right? It's going to be too cold. Let's get building.
So to build with earth, you first have to go and get earth from the land.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. And for our wall, we need like 2 cubic meters, I would guess, of earth. And this one, we could imagine, holds 30 kilos. So you do the math, but it takes a while.
We're going to the place where we are digging, and we want to create a pond here eventually.
But there was also a concern about mold. And I mean, I've read a lot of, we researched these things. And I think that it can mold. I think our wall, because we're doing it in the winter, will have a little bit of mold.
But we would have the wood burning stove.
Yeah, but the main thing is that mold will only be on the surface.
Yeah.
Because it needs oxygen.
Yeah.
And then you can like kill it with some conventional method.
Yeah.
And then it will never mold again.
Exactly.
Because this type of material is breathable. That's the beauty. Like for the future, natural materials always win.
Yeah.
But in the beginning, you may have issues to dry them, especially in the winter. But we're desperate, and we're gonna make a thin wall. Mm-hmm. Either way, if you put more earth, it doesn't mold. Mm-hmm. It's more if you have lighter straw. Mm-hmm. But if you want more information, you can look for light straw or slit straw, I think it's called. That's like with a little bit of clay and straw wet.
Yeah.
And they know about mold if you want to learn about that. Otherwise, cob is like the same, but with more of earth instead of straw.
Yeah.
And then it usually doesn't mold much at all.
More or less, the recipe that we're using is 3 parts. We're talking about volumes, not weight. 3 parts straw, 1 part clay, and let's say 1-ish part water. Yeah. So it's a lot more straw. We're talking about volume again. So we're putting a lot more straw than clay in terms of volume. But let's get working.
Yeah, but we might even put more earth. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Full disclosure, this woman just had her period.
It's the first day of the period, not just had.
And look what I made her do. I didn't make her do.
Good morning. We slept here. The new house is a mess. But this morning we woke up and we got more than half of a wall done. Mika is looking for his sock.
Yeah.
Maja, good morning, Maji. No? A kiss? Alright. But this is the wall, and it's taller than me, as you can see. So very exciting. Today we hope to finish the last bit, and then we'll have a wall here, and then for the bedroom, and then here, now there is a furniture in the back there, but here we want to close it up as well, and we're thinking to put wood on the inside, and then on the outside, when the warmer season comes, we'll do the same, like clay and straw mix. But for now, we're gonna eat some brekkies. But we slept really well. I slept well. Mika too, I guess. Right?
Yeah, it's just my back.
Yeah, we have to get used to this new mattress that we got. But yes, today's, my God, the puffiness. She's puffy. But yeah, let me have breakfast. Clean my face.